Hey everyone, my name is Dalen with ServiceOne, and today we'll be doing a product unboxing of the Warrior In-Duct Air Purifier. The Warrior In-Duct Air Purifier is an American-made product by Warrior Iaq. Warrior Iaq delivers a portion of their profits from this product to various veterans charities. You can learn more about this product and their donations at warrioriaq.com. I'm going to start this off today by talking about the three types of indoor air pollution that include particulates, biological, and chemical contaminants. Particulates include dust, dirt, soot, smoke, and drops of liquid. Biological include mold, bacteria, and viruses. And chemical contaminants include volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, as you'll hear me talk about. VOCs cause odors and are potentially toxic. The Warrior In-Duct Air Purifier is marketed to destroy, quote, the other 2/3, end quote. Conventional filtration is effective against particulates like dust, but has no effect on the other 2/3, which include biological and chemical contaminants. Photocatalytic oxidation, or PCO, is proven to safely reduce both VOCs and biological contaminants inside the air system and throughout the home. This advanced whole house air purifier uses UVC light in combination with specially prepared activated carbon cells to create that photocatalytic reaction. Warrior In-Duct neutralizes VOCs in a process like the way the catalytic converter in your car works. When VOCs are neutralized, the odors are destroyed and the hydrocarbon molecules that caused them are reduced to harmless water vapor and carbon dioxide. The Warrior In-Duct Air Purifier is mounted above the coil in your HVAC system, and because it's positioned where it is, it can also disinfect the inside of your HVAC system, the coils, drain pan, and the airstream. Because we are living in a pandemic, I think it is important to address where the Warrior In-Duct Air Purifier stands on coronavirus. While Warrior IAQ systems have not been specifically tested against coronavirus, they have been tested and proven effective against similar pathogens, some that require an even greater dosage of UVC for inactivation than coronavirus. When used along with other best practices recommended by CDC and others, purification and filtration can be a part of a plan to protect people indoors. But the Environmental Protection Agency says to take caution. The use of air cleaners alone cannot ensure adequate air quality, particularly where significant pollutant sources are present and ventilation is insufficient. So, I have thrown a lot of information your way. I think it's time we open up the box and look at the Warrior In-Duct Air Purifier. So we just took the outer sleeve of the Warrior In-Duct Air Purifier box off, and now this is the box we have. So we would go ahead and open this up. And inside, we have the power cord, the mount that'll go onto your HVAC system, the In-Duct Carbon Air Purifier installation guide, the Iaq Warranty Registration. This is the UV light system warning. If you have a licensed HVAC professional install this, they'll put their installer info, install date, and everything, so that you can easily reference this to find your install company. So here is the Warrior In-Duct Air Purifier. And this will mount right into your HVAC system. So all you'll see is this outer box right here, and then the UV light will actually make this glow. If you look at the actual air purifier, you'll see this right here. This is a carbon filter. So this carbon filter will trap all bypassing particles. This includes dust mites, pet dander, mold, pollen, tobacco smoke, bacteria, and viruses. And so as the air passes through your HVAC system, it'll go around the UV light, which will be shining down on your coil, and it'll get trapped into these carbon filters. And when it gets trapped into these carbon filters, the UVC light will actually destroy all those contaminants. According to the EPA, Americans spend over 90% of their lives indoors, and it's our goal to help educate you on your indoor air quality and help you create your own unique ecosystem utilizing products that can help make the air you breathe healthier and more comfortable. Once again, my name is Dalen with ServiceOne, and thank you for taking some time out of your day to learn more about the Warrior In-Duct Air Purifier from Warrior IAQ. Take care.